Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's compare QQCC and QYLD. QYLD is the Nasdaq 100 covered call ETF by Global X Funds. It is listed in the US and it follows a covered call or buy right strategy in which the fund buys the stocks in the Nasdaq 100 index and writes or sells corresponding call options on 100% of the portfolio. Current estimated annual distribution yield is 11.85% and distributed monthly. Expense ratio is 0.60%. QYLD's strategy of selling covered calls on 100% of its portfolio can limit the fund's potential for capital appreciation. If the underlying index experiences significant price increases, the call options sold by QYLD will limit the fund's ability to benefit fully from those gains. Meanwhile, QQCC is the Horizons Nasdaq 100 covered call ETF by Horizons ETFs. It is listed in Canada. This is formerly known as Horizons Enhanced Income International Equity ETF or HEJ. The strategy and name change is valid on June 27, 2022. So when checking the historical yield distribution and charts, make sure to set it from June 27, 2022 onwards. QQCC has a direct exposure to some of the largest and most liquid stocks on the Nasdaq 100 index. Instead of selling covered call options on 100% of its portfolio, QQCC fund managers use a dynamic call writing approach, which seeks to generate income and reduce downside risk. Current annual distribution yield is 13.26% and distributed monthly. Expense ratio is slightly expensive at 0.85%. Regarding taxes, US and Singapore investors will have 15% dividend tax due to these countries having tax treaties with Canada. Please check out the link in the description below for the list of countries with tax treaties. According to its fund managers, QQCC's approach is slightly different from QYLD. QYLD is a passive strategy that executes its mandate on the same day each month. The portfolio managers sell options or potentially cover in-the-money options regardless of the environment. QQCC, on the other hand, is a strategy that adjusts to the prevailing regime, and the portfolio managers decide when to sell options. As such, the approach is more opportunistic. We purchased 10 shares of QQCC at a price of $9.93 per share on March 6, 2023 for its dynamic call writing approach, higher estimated annual distribution yield, and favorable dividend tax rate. One concern when investing in Canadian financial instruments is the currency exchange rate fluctuations and conversion fees in IBKR. But with QQCC's nice estimated distribution yield of 13.26% per annum and only 15% dividend tax rate, it is still worth it. That's all for now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. See you in the next video.